The features of MQTT have made it more and more popular over recent years. It's a simple publish-subscribe messaging protocol that helps you get just the data you need, and it's ideal for constrained networks that may have low bandwidth or unstable connections. In this video, you'll learn how to configure the ioThinx IIoT starter kit to use MQTT for two different scenarios. In scenario 1, the ioThinx 4510 will act as a subscriber. When the publisher publishes a message, the DO module on the ioThinx 4510 will turn the light on. In scenario 2, the ioThinx 4510 will act as a publisher. When the DI module on the ioThinx 4510 is triggered, subscribers will receive the IO value. Now let's get started. First, set up your broker. We'll use the default port of 1883. Open port 1883 in your firewall. Check the task manager to make sure that the broker service is running. Next, open the web console, go to the security page, and enable the MQTT client service. Go to the protocol MQTT page and enter the broker IP and port. Click on the Topic Settings tab and enable the Publisher Subscriber channel. Now, click Save and Restart at the top of the screen. Now, we'll demonstrate our first scenario, where the ioThinx 4510 acts as a subscriber. First, set your connection name and host name, which should be your broker IP, on the publisher. Next, copy the topic from the ioThinx 4510 MQTT subscriber tab and paste the topic into the publisher's publish page. Enter the message that should be sent, then click Publish. You'll see that the DO channel on the ioThinx 4510 will respond and the light will turn on. Now, we'll demonstrate scenario 2, where ioThinx 4510 acts as a publisher. Copy the topic from the ioThinx 4510 MQTT Publisher tab and paste it into your subscriber's subscribe settings and click Subscribe. Test your connection by triggering the DI, and you'll see the DI value change on your subscriber. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in our ioThinx IIoT starter kit, visit our site for more information.